Happy Saturday, everybody. I have to finish that project. And so I have to glue these. That I guess they're the things that make the helicopter fly. But it's not really gonna fly. It's just a toy. My DIY projects never work out the way they're supposed to. And I'm really bad at finishing anything I start. So I have to finish that because I promised I would, and somebody is gonna come back and go like, where's part 2? One little piece, the one that I lost yesterday, I gotta put that on there. So I'm gonna do that right now before I forget. Come admire the helicopter.
Oh.
It's Leonardo da Vinci's aerial screw. See, and it'd be like a big screw flying up in the air. Pretty, huh?
Can I throw it up in the air?
Go ahead. The reality is, it actually wouldn't fly.
Cool.
And now for the next project. You know how I said I never finish half the projects I start? It's true. I don't like that. My bad. But I'm gonna finish this one. That started like 3 years ago. I just need to go get a tool. A power tool. Anybody know how to use one of these things? Me neither. This is our bedroom door. Doesn't have a handle because it doesn't close. When did I buy that door?
100 years ago.
About 100. Well, today I'm finishing this project. Here, pull the pins.
Got it.
We'll find that later. Should this one pop out?
Okay. Let's take it down to like here, I guess.
Yeah. Let's give it a shot. We got the belt sander thing. You don't know how it works. Can you? Top just a little bit here. There. All right. See if it closes. Shit! It's okay. We fix. Round 2. Please work.
Fuck.
Oh, it's so close. Okay, we'll do a third take. 3. Alright, see if that works. Really? Alright, let's try that. Yes! I wonder if the doorknob will work. We're at the mall, it's empty.
Yeah.
And it occurs to me, I don't have it end to the vlog.
Oh. The end is near.
We built the aerial screw today, right? That was fun. And then I fixed the door. Are you happy about the door?
Happy about the door. Soup's happy.
It actually kind of works, so.
Considering nobody can come to our house, it doesn't really matter if we have a door. But...
Yeah, privacy.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's just wrap it up there then. Put a little bow on it, we'll call it done. Happy Saturday, everybody.
Click like and subscribe. Ding ding.